Nothing ruins a clean TV or projector setup like a thick HDMI cable stretched across the room. A wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit can move your video signal where you need it without drilling holes or fishing cable through walls. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 wireless HDMI kits to watch for in 2026, from simple living room extenders to pro video links. We'll cover what matters: resolution, real-world range, latency, audio support, and setup quirks. Our picks are based on published specifications and hands-on evaluations from trusted reviewers. Product links are down in the description below. Number 6. Orei WHD-66M-K Wireless HDMI Extender. If you want a basic, no-fuss wireless HDMI kit for a smaller room, the Orei WHD-66M-K is a sensible starting point. It targets the everyday jobs, sending a laptop to a TV for movie night, getting a set-top box to a projector, or moving a media player to a wall-mounted display without a long cable run. The headline spec is its range, up to 65 feet or 20 meters in a clear line of sight. In real spaces, walls and dense surfaces can shorten that, so placement matters. On the video side, it supports full HD at up to 1080p and 60 frames per second, and it can also handle computer-style resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 at 60 Hz. It runs on the 5 GHz band and includes SSID pairing and manual channel switching, which is useful if you're running more than one kit nearby and you need them to stay out of each other's way. Setup is straightforward. HDMI into the transmitter at your source, HDMI out from the receiver at your display, then power both units over micro USB. The trade-off is that it keeps the feature list simple. Audio support is PCM stereo, and there's no IR remote control pass-through, so you'll want your source device within remote range, or you'll need a different control method. If you need wireless HDMI for a bedroom TV, a small meeting room, or a short projector throw, this kit covers the basics with minimal headaches. Number 5. IOGEAR GW3D-HD-K IT Wireless Video Connection Kit. If your goal is to put your gear in one place and watch it in 2 places, the IOGEAR GW3D-HD-K IT is built for that. It sends uncompressed 1080p video wirelessly, carries up to 5.1 channel digital audio, and it's rated for about 100 feet, with the usual "your walls may vary" reminder. What makes it stand out is the layout. You can keep a local TV connected via loop-through while the receiver feeds a second TV in another room. It's also packed with practical features. The transmitter includes 2 HDMI inputs, so you can plug in, say, a cable box and a Blu-ray player and swap between them without adding a separate switch. There's IR pass-through, which matters more than people expect. If your source device is hidden in a cabinet, the IR blaster lets you point your remote from the viewing room and still control the gear by the transmitter. It even supports 3D if you're still running a 3D-capable setup. Reviewers often describe WHDI kits like this as near instant, with latency commonly listed under 1 millisecond, so sports and casual gaming stay in sync with the screen. The main downside is that thick concrete or metal-heavy walls can reduce stability, so the safest approach is keeping the path as open as you can. If you want one HDMI source shared to 2 displays with a clean, living room-friendly setup, this kit remains a reliable choice. Number 4. JTech Digital JTECHWEX660 Wireless HDMI Extender Kit. Most wireless HDMI kits are made for living rooms. The JTech Digital WEX660 is built for bigger spaces, like training rooms, classrooms, and signage, where running HDMI is a pain. The attention grabber is the rated transmission distance, up to 660 feet, or 200 meters in ideal conditions, and it's designed to cope better with interior drywall than many compact dongle kits. This set supports up to 1080p video and lets you customize the SSID and the 5GHz operating frequency. That's a big deal if you need multiple wireless HDMI links in the same building and you want to keep them from stepping on each other. JTech also notes you can run up to 4 independent transmitter and receiver pairs nearby, and you can pair up to 2 receivers to 1 transmitter for mirrored displays. You also get IR extension for basic remote control, plus HDMI output at both ends for local monitoring while sending the same feed to the remote screen. There are 2 limitations to know before you pick it. First, latency is listed under 200 milliseconds. That's fine for presentations and playback, but it's not the first choice for fast-paced gaming. Second, audio support is PCM stereo only, and it does not support Dolby Digital, so your source may need to be set to stereo output. If your priority is distance and channel control in a busy environment, this kit makes a lot of sense. Number 3. Orei WUHD3-165-K Wireless HDMI Extender. If you want a wireless HDMI kit that steps up to 4K detail without going into studio gear, the Orei WHD3-165-K is a smart middle ground. It supports video up to 4K at 30 Hz and is rated for up to 165 feet, or 50 meters, in line of sight on a 5 GHz connection. That 4K at 30 limit is the key detail. It's great for streaming shows, movies, and presentations, but it's not aimed at 4K at 60 console gaming. One of the best parts of this kit is scalability. It can be used one-to-one, but it also supports one transmitter sending to multiple receivers, up to 4, which opens the door for classrooms, conference rooms, and multi-display signage. It includes SSID pairing and channel switching to help avoid interference, firmware updates over micro USB, and it's rated for continuous 24/7 use if you're feeding a display all day. It also offers IR passback, so you can control the source device from the display location instead of walking back to the source device. Audio support is PCM, and like most wireless HDMI kits, you'll get the best results with a clear path and careful placement. Still, if you want 4K clarity with the option to feed multiple screens from one source, this is a very practical pick. Number 2. Hollyland Mars 4K Wireless Video Transmission System. This one is for creators. The Hollyland Mars 4K is a wireless video transmitter and receiver set built for camera feeds, client monitors, and production workflows. It supports up to 4K at 30 frames per second, and it's designed to keep delay low while holding a stable signal over distance. The kit is rated for up to 450 feet, or 150 meters, line of sight to the receiver, with a listed latency around 66 milliseconds during 1080p 60 transmission. Connectivity is a big reason it's popular on set. The transmitter offers both HDMI and SDI inputs, and the receiver outputs HDMI and SDI at the same time, so you can feed a monitor and a switcher without extra converters. It also supports app monitoring, letting you add phones or tablets as extra viewing screens at shorter distances, which is handy for small crews. Transmission uses the 5.1 to 5.8 GHz range, and the system can search for cleaner channels to help in crowded environments. Power is flexible, DC input, NPF batteries, or USB-C power, so it's easy to mount on a camera rig or run from a power bank. The trade-off is that it's made for camera signals, not protected streaming sources. If your plan is a cable box or Netflix, a consumer HDMI extender is usually the safer choice. But if you shoot video and you want a wireless link that behaves consistently, the Mars 4K is a strong pick. Number 1. Nyrius ARIES Pro NPCS 600 Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. For most people, the best wireless HDMI kit is the one that feels like an invisible cable. The Nyrius ARIES Pro earns the top spot because it focuses on what matters most in a home setup: stable Full HD video, very low latency, and broad device compatibility. It's designed to transmit uncompressed 1080p video, supports 3D, and it's rated with system latency at or under 1 millisecond, which is why it's a favorite for gaming and live sports. It operates across the 4.9 to 5.9 GHz range with DFS channel selection, helping it avoid busy frequencies. The listed line-of-sight range is 100 feet, and Nyrius also highlights that it can work through walls, floors, and ceilings, though your layout will decide how far you can really push it. It supports HDMI 1.3 with HDCP 1.2, which is important if you're pairing it with consumer sources. Audio support is also a big plus: uncompressed 7.1 PCM and common surround formats like DTS and Dolby Digital. Setup stays simple. The receiver uses a wall adapter, and the transmitter pulls USB power, so you can run it off a USB port or a small power adapter. The main limitation is resolution. It's 1080p, not 4K, and it's a one-to-one system, not a multi-receiver setup. But if you want a wireless link that feels quick, stable, and easy to live with, this kit is hard to beat. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kits to consider for 2026. If this video helped, leave a thumbs up and tell us in the comments which kit you're going with. Subscribe if you don't want to miss future videos, and remember, product links are down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.